In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share reports in Salesforce Lightning. By the end, you'll know two practical ways to get a report into the hands of the right people: scheduling automated emails and downloading a copy to share elsewhere. I'll walk you through the process step by step and explain what's happening along the way so you can choose what works best for your workflow. Start by opening the report you want to share. Make sure it's the exact one your audience needs, with the right filters, date ranges, and columns. The report will be shared as it's currently configured, so a quick review now can prevent confusion later. If you're summarizing data, check that groupings and totals look correct before you move on. Next, look to the top right of the report page and click the small create icon next to the Edit button. From that menu, select Subscribe. This opens the subscription panel, which is where you tell Salesforce to send the report automatically by email. If you don't see Subscribe, your organization may have restrictions on who can create subscriptions, so keep that in mind. Now, set the frequency of the email. Choose how often you want the report to go out, such as daily, weekly, or monthly, and pick the timing that matches when the data is most useful. The email will capture the latest results at that moment, based on your report's filters, so think about when your numbers are refreshed and schedule accordingly. Then add the recipients you want to receive the subscription. Enter the colleagues or stakeholders who should get this report. Recipients typically need access to the underlying report and its folder to view full details when they click through, and the email will include a snapshot or summary along with a link back to Salesforce. Keep your audience focused. Sending to the right people keeps inboxes clean and decision-making faster. If subscribing isn't what you need, you can instead click Download on the report and share the resulting file through your preferred third-party method. This is great for one-off updates or when someone can't access Salesforce. Just remember that downloaded files are static. They won't update automatically, so use them when a fixed snapshot is exactly what you want. And there you go. That's all. Open your report, use Subscribe to automate email delivery with the right cadence and recipients, or download a copy to share elsewhere. Either way, you're sharing insights efficiently and clearly.